Hello, and welcome to our practice. If you're here, chances are you're interested in full arch restoration. The All-On X are the golden standard for replacing failing or missing teeth, as they offer stability, comfort, and a natural feel. No more worrying about your teeth slipping or falling out. With implants, you no longer have to fear about the long-term consequences of bone loss that can often occur with long-term denture use. Let's talk about what dental implants can do for you. First things first, it'll restore your confidence. You'll be able to smile without worrying about anything slipping or falling out. Dental implants are screwed in place, so there's no movement to be concerned about. You're probably wondering how we're able to do this for you. Well, we have an on-site lab, as well as our own surgical suite and anesthesiologist that comes in to help with our surgeries. We do everything on site, that way we keep costs down and everything is made here, in-house, in one location. Think of us as a boutique practice. You meet all of our team with no corporate overhead. You'll meet with Dr. Muir and he'll sit with you and explain everything you need to know about your dental implants from start to finish. And if you have any questions about your procedure or about implants, you'll speak to somebody here at the front desk or with our clinician himself, Dr. Muir. Now, let's talk about what you should be aware of about getting dental implants. The key to a lifetime of implants is going to be home care. That includes using your water pick and your proxy brush, which we can show you how to do here. Dr. Muir is always continuing his education and learning what's best for his patients. We always have state-of-the-art technology in our dental lab to make sure that your teeth are perfect and customized for you. Good news, if you qualify for dental implants, we have the ability to take facial scans to show you a preview of what your new smile would look like. Another good thing about dental implants, especially here, is that Dr. Muir has been serving the Hernando County area for over 15 years and has placed thousands of implants over his career, which means his experience is able to handle any situation, including zygomatic implants, pterygoid implants. Even if you've been told that you don't qualify prior, we can always do an eval and see what we can do for you. Now, don't get me wrong, there are some things to expect with dental implants. It's kind of like adult teething. You have to get used to the feeling of them. When you come in, it's possible that you've been missing teeth for quite some time, or you've just lost function over time. Because of this, the learning curve may be a little bit different. The sensation of having strong, healthy teeth in your mouth may feel foreign at first, but over time, you'll feel like they've always been there. Thank you for coming to see us today. We hope we were able to answer all your questions, and we look forward to seeing you for your continued care.